Hi, I'm Lance. I'm the Area Sales Manager for the North of England, North Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. This is our showroom here in Duckingfield. It's a fantastic asset for us as a business to have, not only for our own in-house training, but we utilise it mostly to train others, and that's the main benefit of having a showroom such as this. We can showcase our products. VetroMount is a fantastic balustrade system, and to really get the idea across as to how easy, how simple, how innovative the product is, you've got to get your hands on it. So here at Bohle, we have installation demonstrations that we can do with you. You can bring your end user, your end clients, if you wish, to our showroom, so you can showcase exactly what products you're trying to present to them. And if you have any future requirements or needs and you wish to get in touch with us to utilise this space with a member of the Bohle team, please get in touch.